مرحبا بكم في قناة هاوتاتس التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب.
Super Goal 1 12. What can you do there? 7. About you. Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing sports, especially soccer. I also like to watch sports on television and attend live matches.
What sports and games can you play?
I can play soccer, tennis, and badminton. I also enjoy playing video games.
How often do you play them?
I usually play sports and games several times a week, depending on my schedule.
Do you like to watch sports on TV? Which ones?
Yes, I enjoy watching sports on TV. I particularly like to watch soccer, tennis, basketball, and baseball.
What teams do you follow on soccer?
I follow the Saudi national team, as well as Real Madrid and Barcelona.
13. What are you going to wear there? 7. About you. What kind of clothes do you like wearing, casual or formal?
I usually prefer to wear casual clothes, but I can also dress up in formal attire when necessary.
What's your favorite color for clothes?
My favorite color for clothes is blue.
Do you like shopping for clothes? Why? Why not?
I do enjoy shopping for clothes. I enjoy trying on different styles and experimenting with different looks. I also like being able to find clothes that fit my body type perfectly. Shopping for clothes is a great way to express myself and show my personality.
What clothes do you need to buy?
I need to buy some casual clothes, like t-shirts and jeans, as well as some formal clothes, like dress shirts and dress pants.
Where do you shop for clothes?
I usually shop for clothes at local department stores or online.
Are clothes expensive in your country?
Clothes can be expensive in my country, depending on the quality and brand. However, there are also more affordable options available.
What are you going to wear to school tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I plan to wear a comfortable pair of jeans, a t-shirt, and a light jacket.
Do you think clothes tell a lot about your personality?
I believe that clothes can tell a lot about someone's personality. The way someone chooses to dress reflects their unique style and can give insight into their preferences and interests.
14. Let's celebrate. 7. About you. What do people usually do for graduation?
People usually celebrate their graduation by having a graduation ceremony with friends and family, attending a party or gathering, or going on a trip to mark the occasion.
What are you going to do for your graduation?
I am planning to have a small celebration with my family and close friends. We will have a dinner together and exchange gifts to mark the occasion.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Eid al-Fitr, which marks the end of Ramadan. It is a time of celebration and joy, and I look forward to it every year.
How do you celebrate it?
I celebrate Eid al-Fitr by gathering with family and friends, exchanging gifts, and enjoying festive meals. We also usually go to the mosque to pray and thank Allah for blessing us with another Ramadan.
You are a good person.
Thank you. I strive to be the best version of myself that I can be.
15. Then and now. 7. About you. Were your grades good in elementary school?
In elementary school, I excelled in all of my classes, especially math and English.
What was your favorite subject?
My favorite subject was math. I enjoyed learning about different concepts and solving challenging problems.
What was your favorite after-school activity?
My favorite after-school activity was participating in the math team and the English club. I enjoyed competing in the math competitions and collaborating with my peers in the English club.
Who was your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher was Mr. Jason Malokali. He was a kind and patient teacher who always went the extra mile to help his students succeed.
Who was your best friend?
My best friend in elementary school was Ollie. He was always so encouraging and supportive of me.
16. What did you do last week? 7. About you. How good is your memory?
My memory is excellent. I can recall any information that I have learned or experienced.
Do you remember what you did recently?
Yes, I remember what I did recently. I spent the day working on a project for my job, and then I went for a walk in the park.
Did you drink water with your dinner last night?
Yes, I did drink water with my dinner last night.
What did you eat for breakfast yesterday?
I had oatmeal with a banana and a cup of coffee for breakfast yesterday.
Do you have a good memory?
Yes, I do have a good memory. I can remember things that I have been taught or learned.
Who was the last person you talked to on the phone?
The last person I talked to on the phone was my brother.
What was the last email you received?
The last email I received was from my university professor.
When did you write an email to a friend?
I wrote an email to our friend yesterday.
Who did you write to last?
I wrote to my brother last.
When was the last time you visited relatives?
The last time I visited relatives was 2 weeks ago.